Hi Gemini, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for June 2014. Geminians, we begin this month with Venus having a lot of influence the entire month, and we have two planets that are going retrograde, that is Mercury and Neptune, in the first and the second week respectively. You are going to be radiating a charisma as Mars joins Pluto, and it's highlighting a part of your chart that has to do with very exotic and mysterious. So you're going to be coming across as somebody who's very exciting, sensuous, mysterious, and you could be drawing to yourself a lot of people who could be quite interested in getting to know you quite better. However, in certain closest relationships, since there is a Mars is coming face to face with Pluto, there could be some issues, or there could be some moment of truths that could just sort of come out. There could be some conversations that have happened in the past, or some things that have not been discussed in detail. And with this facing up of it, there could be some information that comes out, and it could take you by surprise, and it could be a little unpleasant. So you could get a bit upset by as to what it is. In extreme cases, the relationship could also break. There's a new moon energy which is encouraging you to reinvent yourself in a very powerful and a personal way, Geminians, this month. A lot of you will be wanting to and will be encouraged to make some drastic changes, whether it has to do with your personal appearance or it has to do with maybe a complete wardrobe change. You could go for. Some of you could be consulting stylists and seeing as to maybe some things that you've never tried before, and there could be this urge to look different, to look new. You would be wanting something really different for yourself. The planet is also urging you to, while the superficial work gets done, your image gets improved, you know how it is that you're looking, it's a new haircut, your wardrobe gets redone. Maybe there are some personal characteristics or habits that can do with some work as well. So whether it has to do with your communication skills or it has to do with your confidence, try and do some work around it. It's a good opportunity. So if you can get yourself involved in theater, or you can get involved in public speaking, it's a good time, Geminians, to be coming out and giving presentations and building that confidence and that self-image about yourself as well. Now Mercury is going retrograde from 7th of June, and this is again going in a part of your chart that has to do with self. So a lot of focus on your ideas, on yourself, on how you view the world, on how it is that you exchange ideas with the world at large, or how it is that you are in your interpersonal skills. Mercury is cautioning you, and since it's a retrograde, it's just asking you to slow down. It's saying that don't do anything drastic. You may feel that, oh, all it is that I have learned all along in life, it's completely wrong, and I need to be really redoing it. This is not how I see life, and there could be certain strong sentiments around maybe your value systems or about yourself. You could be feeling really, that I need to be more stronger, I need to be more less argumentative maybe. So there could be these really need to change the self strongly will get accentuated, and Mercury is cautioning you that reevaluate things. See, it is where really the change is required. It may not be as bad as you think it is. Yes, of course, there are parts of your life that definitely require, besides like I said earlier, your outer experience. It's not just a haircut or your wardrobe change. It really, I think, has to, it's speaking about overhauling of your belief system, of your perceptions. Maybe you're too used to seeing things in a certain way, and it's a time for you to be really changing and how it is that things really are, or how people are. I think life is, or rather the world is changing so fast. It's important that you adapt and you open up your mind and are more acceptable to newer ideas, newer ways of living. Sorry, yes, the Mercury drill. Transport needs to get taken care of. Check your tires, ensure that your car is in working condition. Not a great time to be buying big ticket items, Mercury. Sorry, Geminians. With a Mercury retrograde, it is never advisable to be going and buying a car, especially since it rules travel, technology and communication. So a cell phone, definitely no. Try and wait. I get asked this question a lot. What will happen if I go and I buy? The sky is not going to fall on my head. For sure, it will not. But it could be that you may not be having complete information when the Mercury is there in retrograde in full swing. It could also be that the product that you buy, it may just have a newer version the next month. You could feel a tad cheated or frustrated when you do big ticket purchases during a retrograde. Also, it speaks about product being faulty or not living up to its complete advertising that it had portrayed. So it's normally it is, oh, you should avoid. And with your with your travel as well, ensure that your tickets are in place, the place that you're traveling to, the right dates, your luggage is tagged well. Your communication needs to be extremely, you need to be careful about your emails, SMSs, WhatsApp, what jokes are being sent to whom. Be extremely careful. Your mails as well, be careful that you don't mark a reply all, or the draft mails that are lying over there just get sent because something went wrong. And remember to take complete backup of your data during a Mercury retrograde. One tends to lose a lot of data. I know how many times I've lost data during a retrograde, despite reminding myself, and then at the last minute thinking, yeah, well, it's okay, I'm sure it'll pass. So be careful around that time. We have Neptune that is going retrograde around the 9th of June, and Neptune as usual is up to no good. It is just creating more deception, more delusion. It's casting its dreamlike haze more strongly. Everything around you will get more accentuated, and you could and it's covering, it's focusing your house of Capricorn. That has to do with your material comfort. It has to do with finances. So don't get deluded into how much money you have, or don't make bad investments. Don't get caught into some harebrained idea, whether it is yours or a friend's. So be careful about investing, especially with like I said, Neptune retrograde. You may just think that, oh, it's too good, or it's such a wonderful opportunity that I'm getting. Don't do that. And especially, like I said, if it's a new scheme or if it's a new investment that you're looking at, avoid it. Wait till about second week of July, then you can go ahead and make all the investments that you want. It will be a time where you could be getting really inspired, and you could Neptune does that, and you could be brimming with ideas, and you may be wanting to do like, since it's talking about your financial and your material comforts, maybe furnishing your house in really radical way. So wait a bit before you decide to paint your entire house in purple and gold and say that, oh, it seems like such a brilliant idea, because after the transit gets over, you could feel a tad foolish. Overall, a good month, Geminians. A lot of self-work, a lot of focus on changing your image and how it is that you look and how it is that you want to present yourself to the world. Keep in mind, however, there's an inner work as well that is required. So for those of you who have been wanting to change certain irritating habits, or maybe not so irritating habits, but have become a boring pattern, it's a good opportunity to do so. So take care. It's been a pleasure speaking with you, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again.